pretrial conferences or pretrial disclosure. This is a federal rule, and oftentimes they have a state rule that accompanies it for state courts that provides that you must get together as the parties and you must do as much as you can to work out your differences, to exchange information. What are the kinds of things you need to do? Well, at these pretrial conferences, the following will be at least what you need to do. You will need to exchange the names and addresses, contact information for all witnesses and experts you intend to call. They would have to do the same. Each party would have to exchange that with each other party. You'd have to make a complete list or provide them with some inventory or the actual documents that are necessary and are going to be used as exhibits at the trial. Most of the time, these documents will have already been produced. So sometimes the parties can get together and say, hey, here's my exhibit list. Here's all of the witness list. This shows you all the witnesses I'm going to call, and this shows you the exhibit list, and you have all these documents. Or if you don't have one of these, please let me know, and I will give it to you, copy it, bring it to the pretrial conference, or if you're at the pretrial conference, I will get it faxed to us, whatever it is you want. You also want to discuss and attempt to narrow the issues. That is, what are we arguing about? Are there things which we can agree to? For example, will we agree that all the documents are authentic, so I don't have to bring in the writer of the document every single time? Will we agree that the photographs are genuine photographs of the area, so I don't have to bring in the 7 different photographers who took pictures? You see what we're doing? And a lot of times you can get agreement, and that eliminates it. Sometimes you can agree on a mission. We agree we're going to admit the contract and the following 7 things. So right when you go to court, there's no arguments about getting things into evidence. You might agree not to use certain things. You might agree not to discuss certain things. But whatever it is, it's a chance for you to frame and narrow the issues. Some pretrial conferences request that you go through and discuss settlement, or that you affirm, if you're doing it in front of a court, that you have made attempts to settle or resolve your case. Sometimes you will have to show that you went to an official mediation, an alternate dispute resolution forum where you have a chance to negotiate your case out. Whatever the case, the key is to understand that the pretrial conference is a chance for full disclosure on all parties and the opportunity to narrow and focus the issues, facts, and evidence in a way that'll be most productive for you.